and welcome to another screencast of Lewis Tech Web Design. My name is Brian Lewis, and today I'm going to be showing you about a pretty cool little module called RealName. The idea behind RealName is that if my username, for example, was bjlewis2, instead of saying by bjlewis2 when I post an article or whatever to the site, it'll say by Brian Lewis, and we can set that up using fields on our profile. To do this, we're going to need three modules. We'll use the RealName module, which is found at drupal.org/project/realname, token, which is at drupal.org/project/token, and entity API, which is found at drupal.org/project/entity. Once you have those modules installed, you'll see them under the other category. I'm just going to go ahead and enable all four of them and save configuration. Now, before we set up RealName, we're going to need to tell it where to get its information. So we're going to go ahead and go to Configuration, Account Settings, Manage Fields. We're going to add two fields, one for first name and one for last name. They'll both be text fields. And at this point you can choose to make it required or not. If it's required, it'll actually default to also being displayed on the registration form. So when a new user creates an account, they'll have to fill out this first name and last name. I'm going to go ahead and set that to required and save settings. And we'll do the last name. And save. You could limit these max length if you want to. It's totally up to you. Again, required and save settings. Alrighty. Let's go to configuration. And the first thing we need to do is actually go to performance and clear all caches. Now I'll go back to configuration, RealName. And this is where the RealName magic happens. You'll see that right now the RealName pattern is username raw. This is actually just the default user login name. It's not actually doing anything to it. But you will see down below that we have first name and last name as options. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. We'll add first name, put a space in there, and add last name, and save configuration. Okay, so if I go to my user account, right now it just shows admin because I haven't filled out any information. But I can go to edit and scroll down to the bottom, fill out my name, hit save, and now you can already see actually up at the top left it's changed to Brian Lewis, but if I view my account it now says Brian Lewis instead of admin. There you go, that's the RealName module. I would still log in using my username admin, but everywhere I post it'll show Brian Lewis for my name. That's all I got for today. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you can use this in your projects. Thanks for watching.